and good morning to one and all. So this is Sai Karan and today we are going to discuss about the topic Angular. Okay? Okay. So before I start, I would like to ask you one simple question, guys. See, you people, graduates, you people usually will try to learn web development, right? You will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. But can you give guarantee that with learning those skills, will you able to get a job? No. Beside that, you need to learn some more concepts, some more advanced frameworks to develop the web. And one such framework is Angular framework. Okay, so let us get a deep dive over it. So see, what I am going to discuss in this session: introduction to Angular, history of Angular, Angular architecture, Angular versus Angular JS. Oh, till now we are unaware of Angular only. Now Angular JS. Okay, let us learn about that also. Okay, now see. See, what is Angular? Angular is a framework developed by Google to develop high-end business class web applications. The main advantage of using Angular is you can develop future-driven business scale large web applications with ease. So what are the important characteristics here? See, Angular can be installed through npm node manager. Means in order to install the Angular software, you need to install another software called node npm. Node is a JavaScript library and also a popular package manager which helps the users to download the latest web frameworks. Now, okay, Angular JS, we will discuss about this one. Okay, now let us go through about Angular. So you can see Angular is a TypeScript based open source front-end web development platform. Means, see, in Angular, not only in Angular, in order to develop a website, along with the front end, you need to have a good back-end language also. And JavaScript will be one of the best languages to perform the server-side applications in web applications. Nowadays, recently, after JavaScript edition 5, so the developers wanted a very powerful processing language that works very faster than JavaScript. At the same time, it should be easy for the developers. So they have devised a language called TypeScript. Okay, the TypeScript is nothing but advanced version of JavaScript. Okay, now, so when did they launch the Angular JS? 2010. Now, Angular 2 was introduced in 2016. So means from at present, now it is 2023. What is the latest version of Angular? Anyone? Very simple. It's 20. Angular 20 is the latest version of the TypeScript. TypeScript Angular latest version is 20. Initial release was started in the year 2016 with the Angular version 2. Difference between Angular and Angular 2 is in Angular we use JavaScript. Okay. In Angular JS we use JavaScript. At the same time, in Angular we use a language called TypeScript. Okay. Now, now Angular architecture. So how does the Angular works? If you can see, Angular is developed and maintained by Google. So we already know how much tech giant the Google is. So that big tech giant has developed a programming language and a framework for developing web applications. And it is mentioned here, see, it is open source. Means what? Anyone can customize. If you write the software in Angular, you can make it customizable with any popular developer you know, because the source code was well known to everyone, so they can easily modify your application. Now, so see, this to be considered. Angular and Angular JS. What is the best difference between these two. Okay, Angular JS is the older version of Angular. It is written in JavaScript. It is a directive based architecture. It is used for web applications. Okay, now Angular. Latest version of Angular is Angular 12. It is written in TypeScript. Uses a component based architecture. Supports mobile and desktop applications. Provides enhanced performance and speed. So these are the popular differences between Angular and AngularJS. Got it? So now, okay. Now you may have a doubt. Sir, you are saying this much lecture. It won't be feasible to us. Means we can't understand. Okay, we will let us try to explore the same using a visual method.